I think we can all agree that ragdoll physics in video games is a gift that just keeps on giving. Ragdoll physics is of course used in a bunch of games to simulate characters that are knocked unconscious. However, a lot of newer games have sprung up that are built around idle animation. And if I go ahead and hit play right now, we can see that he's just doing that idle animation over and over. Nothing else in bones. Now I'm gonna go and open up my bodyguard here, and first we want to find the root node, and from here we can go and find all of the different parts that make up our model. And we can really just go ahead and reference these one by one. However, sometimes naming isn't going to perfectly match. For example, I don't have anything here called pelvis, and so I encourage you to not look so much at naming, but instead look at the position where the object is in. So for the pelvis here, we can see that we can use our hips. For the left hips, I would recommend using the left upper leg here, so that's
to a microphone that wasn't plugged in. God damn it. Oh, I'm so fucking stupid. My microphone stand broke the other day. I stripped one of the nuts on it, so I had to like fully fucking get a new bolt or get a new nut for it, and forgot to plug it back in. God damn. No wonder the couple of bloody people I sent a message to were like, fuck, just like dipped in and dipped out again. That makes sense. God damn. Oh, god damn it. Oh my god. That's so funny. That's crazy. Been sitting here for the last 30 minutes just talking to an unplugged microphone. That's crazy. I only noticed because I looked down at bloody... Oh my god. I only noticed because I looked down at OBS to see if like the stream was being weird or something. And noticed that the little bar wasn't registering anything. Am I too loud? I think... No. No, I'm not quite hitting the red. We're good. God damn. Alright, so... Fuck. I was talking so much. And none of that. Oh, god damn it. Fuck me. I can't believe I did that. Okay, shit. Alright, so what we're doing is we're fixing the colliders on these enemies. Currently, we couldn't shoot them. Mod's messaging me on my bloody phone, so I keep having to look over at that, but fucking hell. I can't believe I did that. Sitting here talking to nothing for the last half hour. No wonder anyone that like popped into the stream was just like here for 2 seconds and then left, even though I said g'day to them, and yeah. God damn it. Bloody hell. Not even bots are gonna hang around for that shit, dumbass. Alright, where were we up to? Right. I was sort of debating to myself whether or not I want to make them ragdoll or I want to make them fall apart. I sort of started making a script to control... Yeah, this is a pretty appropriate song. To control whether or not the, I wanted it to just, like, fall into individual pieces, or I wanted it to ragdoll or something like that, so... Anyway, what we're doing now is going through and adding colliders to all this shit. See? We're a little bit halfway done. A little bit halfway. Alright, so we want that upper left one, and we're copying it over to the right. God damn. Oh. Impressively stupid. Impressive. Alright, this one... Probably just make that a mesh collider, right? Not that. You. I think we'll just make that one a mesh collider. And... convex hull it. That'll do. Alright, so we're done with the arms now. Got that, got that, got that. Yep, that'll work. Beauty. Alright. Chest done. Or spine done. Thigh. Alright, well I guess we can use the same one that we had here. With slight modifications. This is... God. Yeah. Yep, that's good. Nailed it. Thick thighs. Thicky thighs. Honestly, it'd probably be better with a box collider. Let's see what it looks like with a box one. Actually, we'll just keep that there in case I don't like it. Fact. Why Unity had? Oh, it got rid of the... Alright. Never mind, I'm just an idiot. Oh, I can't edit it from the outside, that's kind of annoying. Yeah, I think that's better. I'm going with that. Okay, we'll put that over on the right thigh too. Sick. Alright. Shin. Oh, that needed to be a little bit taller, actually. Not taller, but a little bit longer. Don't want bullets going through its knee. We need the arrows to... Don't. Never mind. I wasn't going to make an arrow to the knee joke. Couldn't think of a good one anyway, so... Shin. Not bad. I think I'm just going to do that again. Yeah, that's clean. I mean, I feel like it's not going to be perfect, but, like, you're not going to notice this in motion. Like, do we even do feet colliders? Yeah, we may as well. We'll do a little foot. Fuck it, we're not doing a foot. I don't care. Alright, we can remove this. Because I didn't end up even doing it that way. Yeah, stop trying to think about how we break them apart. Alright, let's see if this works. All collided up. Looks like the first Iron Man suit. Not really. Okay. I gotta apply these to the thing. Bam. Alright. I forgot to take the rigid bodies off a couple of them. I can hit them though and kill them. Okay, that's great. I mean, we were successful in part. Where were the rigid bodies? Now I gotta find the fuckers. I think it was in the spine and the chest. You go away. God, the dogs just will not stop barking. Oh, currently can't shoot their hands. Do we want to do hand colliders? That's head. Yeah, we'll do little hand colliders. Alright, we can do that. That one, not that one. This one. There is no shortcut. I mean, there probably is, but I don't know it. I totally forgot that you could do this until I did it with the box collider. That'll do. Gotta love as soon as I go to stream, then I start to get like little flamey. That's the, what? That's the clip. Oh, right, that's a bone. Makes sense. Also is kind of confusing. And we're not even using that anymore, so sorry, Angus. Alright. Now, I think that was it. Though I do feel like I missed a rigid body. I remember we had 4 set up there. No, we're good. I love that their animation speed doesn't fit the run speed. We definitely need like little health bars over their head. Well, that works. Oh, we're getting there. Alright, progress. So, we have successfully ticked one thing off the to-do list. Make enemies shootable again. Add enemy shooting. I don't know if I want to do that right now. I don't know if I want to do that right now. What do I want to do instead? I want to run out and go to the toilet real quick. That's what I'm going to do. So give me 2 seconds. Doot, doot, doot. Alrighty, I'm back again. So, I think what I'm going to do is just clean up the the enemy animations a little bit. Shouldn't be too hard. All I got to do is actually, I don't know, like this speed here. Oh, god damn it. I feel like there was a way to use the animation to move the agent. Am I wrong? I don't know. It's been a while since I've dealt with that stuff, but okay. That was literally all I planned for. I planned to do this. I need to start planning my streams a little better, hey. But we got them shootable, and I want to smooth out that speed a little bit because it looks weird when they do this. Oh, that, and we need to update the state so that they can continue to look at us. Alright, yeah, let's just add a few things. Let's just go ham. Alright, so animation speed. I think that is so with the player, we do a trippy little thing, not trippy, but with the player, oh, wrong one. We're taking the... God, this is a long ass script. I'm probably not going to be able to find where I'm at. That took me a while. Okay. So yeah, even though up here it has like a move speed and a sprint speed. Yeah, I think, somewhere down here, when we move, we set the speed to the animator. There. Alright, so yeah, we could probably just do the same thing with the enemy. What am I hearing? God damn it. I thought I heard a cat. Don't tell me it's this song again. I did this last stream where I had a song that... something in it sounded like a cat. No idea. Alright. Where were we? We were taking the agent and the NM, and we're going to set the speed to... Oop. Oh yeah, I swear it's this song. We're skipping it because it shits me. Oh shit, yeah. This one bangs. Alright. Do Agent dot speed equals we're just gonna say the math dot maximum we just basically we just don't want to set it to 0. So just like the maximum between 1 and whatever the agent speed, the NM speed is, right? Right, that's what you do. Dot magnitude, I think. I don't know. But I'm actually going to take out that math thing first, just in case. If we don't need it, no point in doing it. Alright. Let's see what that does. They should be moving a lot faster now, which is actually kind of scary. I think they'll be moving faster than us. See? It set their speed to 0. Oh my god, I've been playing Satisfactory the last couple of days. I just went to press C to crouch, which is crouch. But I did it to try and like slide. I don't have that. I just have that. Whee! Alright, yeah, so that accidentally sent their speed to 0. So we were right in having the max. Actually, what if we just do that? Wait, no, that doesn't make, yeah, no, that doesn't make sense. Alright, yep, we'll do this. That should work. That is a stupid way of doing it though. Ah, God, how am I meant to do this? Because like this is straight up like a feedback loop. We're setting the agent speed based on the animator, and then we're going over to the animator and setting the movement based on the agent speed. There's a better way to do this. There is absolutely a better way to do this. I feel like it's just in the navmesh tutorial. Yeah, fuck it. Brackies again.
In this video, you'll learn how to create simple...
Sorry, I don't want to cut you off, but I just want to see if you do animated characters. It doesn't look like it. Sorry, Brackies. For this one, I can't use you. Ah, I can!
In the previous video, we learned how to make our navmesh change at runtime. In this video, we'll learn how to use links to connect together multiple navmesh surfaces. We'll also finish things off by implementing an animated character.
What a
champ. Opens up a whole nother world of possibilities. And now that we have a great amount of control over our navmesh, it's time to replace this boring looking character with a cool animated one. To do that, I'm going to open up example 5 here. In here, I just have a simple level. I'm going to select my navmesh and hit bake. And on this level, I have the player character
let him cook.
with pretty much all the same settings as before, as well as the player controller. And we of course want to get rid of this boring cylinder. To do that, we'll go to the top here and we'll right click and remove the mesh renderer. We'll also remove the capsule collider as well as the mesh filter. So now our player is pretty much invisible. Instead, we want to add in a character called Loman. As always, if you want to get these example scenes as well as the character that we're going to be using, visit the link in the description. So if we go under example 5 Loman, there's a folder here called Loman. In here we have some different folders for our character. We're going to go under models and we're going to select the low body. Now if we select it, we can see our simple low poly character. To add this to our player, we'll simply drag it under our player objects. And right away, we're going to see it in our scene. We won't be applying any animation just yet, so I'm going to right click on the animator and remove it. And now if we go into our scene view and hit F to focus on him, we can make sure to position our player correctly. I'm just going to reset the transform so that he's completely centered on our object. I'm then going to go under our player and I'm going to go to our nav mesh agent and remove the base offset. So I'm going to set that to 0 and that should snap our collider right in place. And then we can go ahead and place him on the ground here. I also want to make our graphics a tiny bit bigger, so I'm going to select low body, change to the scaling tool by hitting R, and just scale him up a tad. I'm also going to go under the materials and assign the low body material to him. So now if we go and hit play, we will be able to move him around our scene, just as before. But of course, it's very boring when he doesn't have any animation applied. So how do we go about this? Well, so far, we've been using some simple graphics to illustrate our player. And whenever we've moved the player in a given direction, we haven't been changing those graphics at all. And that's just fine when using a simple shape. But now that we're using a character, we want him to animate as he moves forward. And more importantly, we want this animation to line up with the way that he's moving. In order for this sort of animation to look natural, we want it to look like the character's feet are the one that is driving forward the motion. In other words, we have to always make sure to sync up our animation with the actual movement. In most cases, there are two ways to go about this. The first one is moving the character using the nav mesh agent. This is not far from what we've been doing so far. We have our nav mesh agent, it wants to go in a certain direction, and so it goes ahead and moves in that direction. Then for any given point, we could simply overlay some animation on top of this movement and then do our best to try and synchronize the animation to the movement. The way that we'd probably do this is by asking for each point what the current speed of the agent is, and then adjusting the animation speed and what animation to play depending on if the character is moving quickly, in which case we want to run, if he's moving slowly, in which case we want to animate.
I'm guessing we're going to want the second method.
The second way to go about it is using animation to move forward our character. Here we have the agent running in the background. So for any given point, we are still running the nav mesh agent. But instead of just having it move forward our character, for each point we're asking, where should we go? And we then play an animation that moves us in that direction. And so here the animation itself is what drives the player forward. Now this method also requires some tweaking and quite a bit of code, but luckily Unity recognizes this and have created a script that does exactly this. The script I'm talking about is the third-person character script. It's part of the standard assets and I've also included it in the example scene. If we go ahead and add this to our player, it's going to add a bunch of different components. But most of these we can pretty much leave as is. As for the third-person character script itself, I found that the default values work just fine. So I'm just going to collapse that. The same thing goes for the rigid body. And as for the capsule collider, we just need to make sure to fit this to a character here. Now we can go to our nav mesh agent and change the speed to 1. And we can pretty much leave all the other settings. One thing that we do have to set up is our animator. And this is because we need to specify what animation we want to use, as well as how this animation should be applied to the bones. First of all, we need to apply an animator controller. If we go under Loman Animation, we can see the humanoid controller right here. We'll go and drag that in. And as for the avatar, we want to be using the Loman avatar. So we'll go under Low Body, select the Low Body avatar and drag that in as well. And now our player is actually set up to use animation. If we select him and open up our animated window, we can see how all the different animations correspond to each other. We have a bunch of different animations in here, like a death animation, a win animation, an animation when airborne and when crouching.
My screens are freaking out. What do you mean, mod?
We have a bunch of...
What do you mean? It's looking good on my end. Is the screen freaking out? What do you mean? It's looking alright on... Yeah, it's looking alright on my preview. I can't see shit. Hang on, let me load it up on my phone. Oh shit, it straight up went to my thing. Yeah, hearing myself fucking talk. Hang on, where's the mute button? I'll just turn my volume down on my phone. Alright, fuck off, stop, Jesus Christ. It's looking alright to me, mod. I just opened it up on my phone. I think you might just have shitty internet, mod. This is all good, right? Right? Anyone else in chat seeing weird shit? Oh, now it's glitching a bit. No. I'm getting a bit of lag on my phone, but... I don't know what's going on here. I'm not dropping frames or anything. I think you're tripping. You got me tripping, mod. Fuck, hang on. What the fuck? Alright. Bloody hell. Now... Oh, hang on. Angus. Does it not... Shit, does the stream not automatically freaking down... Okay, am I good with you now, mod? I mean, I'm not doing anything, so the bitrate definitely went down. Maybe you just have shit internet. Angus is the same thing. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, streaming in 1080. Sorry, Angus. I don't even know if I can like artificially. I thought fucking Twitch would like automatically compress it. Does it not? That's pretty shit ass of them. Yeah, damn. Okay, bloody hell. What the hell were we even doing? We were watching the Brackies thing, weren't we? Now I'm hearing dogs barking again. That's always fun. Alright, let's get this back to where I was at before. Alright. So Brackies was talking about... Oh, wrong one. Wrong one. God, I got too many things. That one.
different animations for movement. In the left hand corner, we have some different parameters.
Damn it, sorry. Replying to Angus. Yeah, you like that, Angus? I stole your work, you know, like 6 years later. Gotta use the bloody, gotta use the OG enemies. Look at him. Look, it's good quality. The animations were a bit, you know, iffy because they were done by hand, which obviously is pretty limiting. But you know, it's sick. I need to make the goddamn video. I really should be editing right now and actually getting a video out. Like, I have so much to edit. I have a bunch of Vault Hunters shit. I've got like 5 different streams. I think this is like my 6th stream. 6th stream. Don't know why that was hard to say. Since I bloody started doing this, and yeah, God, I haven't edited any of it. I think my DaVinci is pretty sad. Oh, it's gonna take forever to load now, isn't it? God. Resolutions. Oh, god damn it, this is hard. Now I'm trying to stream and talk on the thing. Never mind about the DaVinci shit, who cares? Basically, I need to edit. Whew! Okay. Back to brackies. I'll try to reply to Angus sort of on the side.
And the cool thing is that our third person character script will go ahead and adjust all of these animations accordingly depending on the situation. So pretty much all we need to do is start using our third person character script. To do that, we'll open up our player controller, and here we want to add a tiny bit of code. The first thing that we want is a reference to a third person character. And whenever we're using something from the standard assets, we need to go to the top and say using Unity standard assets. And in our case, we want to go under characters and use the third person character. So now we can create a new variable, a public third person character, and we'll just call it character. Then we also want to create a start method. So we'll go void start. And in here, we simply want to tell our agent not to update its rotation. This is because our rotation is handled by the character. So we'll go agent.update rotation equals false. And now we're pretty much set up. Now we simply need to move our character through the third person character script. To do this, we'll go to the bottom of our update method. And to move our character...
Damn, Angus still has accountability. I can't steal his work. Shit. God damn it! I don't have the brain span to split it between having a conversation and this. But all right, let's go back a little bit.
And integrate code. The first thing that we want is a reference to a third person character. Using this and third person, so we'll go void not to. So we'll go agent.updateRotation is handled by the character. So we'll go agent.updateRotation equals false. And now we're pretty much set up. Now we simply need to move our character through the third person character script. To do this, we'll go to the bottom of our update method. And to move our character, we'll use character.move. And this takes in a vector3 that defines where we want to move and whether
I'm gonna have to actually use that third person controller.
Jump. And as we talked about, where we want to move is determined by our agent. And here we can use a super handy parameter under our agent called desired velocity. As the name suggests, desired velocity is where our agent would like to move at this given point. So we'll input agent.desired velocity, and then we'll write false because we don't want to crouch.
Ah. Right. I think I get it. A little bit. Me and Angus just talking over here about how he's gonna steal millions off me once I become a millionaire and the game makes all the millions of dollars. He's gonna steal it because I stole his work. Alright, so we're not gonna use that. That doesn't matter. So the enemy AI is the enemy controller. So it's taking the desired velocity from the animator. Wait, was it the agent or the... Yeah, the agent has a desired velocity. Oops. So instead of doing that, we'll just do desired velocity. Oh, and then what if we just do this? Does that keep it happy? It's not the same. What does that do? What does that do? I'm trying to avoid adding another script. Still 0? Yeah. Okay. I guess I'll add that other script. Alright, let's go back and... Alright, so what he's doing is adding this character script and then using that to control the movement based on the desired velocity.
And false the end remaining distance and then inside of character.move. And if not, meaning that our agent has moving, we do have to 3.0. And so we say stop moving. And again, we want to input false and false. And that's pretty much all we need to do.
I mean, we can do that. I need to get that third person controller script. That's a little annoying. I don't know if I have that. Sorry, I'm replying to Angus now. Alright. Oh, man. My brain's falling apart. I'm talking to Angus on the phone, which really fucks me. Alright, so yeah, we need that third person controller script, and don't think I have it here. Not by default, right? This project was originally a first person controller script, so hang on, we can just get it from Brackies. Brackies has it. Shit, I don't want to download the entire project. Can I just, like, take a file out of it? I'm not good at using Git. I just want a file. And not those. Not that. No, it's definitely in assets. What the fuck? Where's it hiding? Scripts. This one. I want that. I just want this. Can I take this? Yeah. Sick. That's how you do that. Alright. I genuinely didn't know if I could do that without... I don't know how GitHub works. It's weird. Alright. Scripts. Enemies. Yeah, we'll just chuck it in enemies. Okie dokie. Let's, no, we won't get rid of that script. I was gonna do that, but we don't actually need to. We can leave it for now. Alright, so what we need to do is modify, not this. This. So we can down that. Set that to 1, apparently. We'll chuck this on there. Apparently all G to begin with. That's not being used. Oh, no, it is. It just got added. Fuck, I'm dumb. Okie dokie. Alright, so that's now handled by script. The animator, oh, that's... The animator's on this. Alright, well, we'll just change it then. Alright, that works. We can do that. Alright, let's first of all remove that so that we can remove all the other ones. Alright, well, hang on. We gotta unpack the prefab because we're gonna have to create a new one. Alright. So everything that's here. Oh god, that sucks. Please don't get rid of these. Oh, I'm gonna be so sad. Okay, sick, cool. Cool. Enemy parts isn't a thing yet, so... Alright, and we'll just take the nav mesh agent. Doot doo! Okay, sick. That works. And then we can add this. Which apparently is all good. Animator's now handled by script. Sick. That's cool. Alright, that should all work. So... Now in the enemy AI, it's going to need to... So let's get rid of that and that. Alright, so these states are currently... A lot of them are taking in the animator, aren't they? No, they're not. That's good. So that it's just setting a destination. Hang on, what? Bracky's help. Confused again. If... Hang on, sorry, I also can't see the stream, so... So yeah, do I still use set destination? Alright, let's go back here.
In the case that we still want to move and haven't reached our destination, we'll go ahead and move according to the desired velocity of our agent.
All good, that's where it's handled. The agent desired velocity is a vector 3, which means it's going to point in a direction along the path that it wants to take, meaning that it move will actually call the path. Sick, awesome, I get it now. Alright. So I just need that. Wait, what was the other thing you said earlier?
We do from inspect character, go to the Unity standard assets. So now we can create a character. Then we also want to create a start method. So we'll go void start. And in our rotation, move our character through the third person. And so we'll go agent. And in here, we simply want to tell our agent not to update its rotation. This is because our rotation is handled by the character. So we'll go...
Alright, yeah, cool. I'll take your word for it. Makes sense. Is that not just like a thing in here? No? Okay. Oh, no, I mean on the nav mesh. Apparently not. Apparently it's not an exposed variable. Alright, so, yep. Let's do what Bracky says. He's smart. Let's follow him. So... we may as well do it in here because we're already getting everything else. So what we got to be using is... actually... Bam! Sick, automatically does it. Alright. Now we have a reference to the character. We'll just do the same here. Oh, Jesus. And I suppose we can also just do up here. Equals false. Okay. That should work, I believe. Insert clip of the Matrix. Okay, fuck. Okay. Okay. So I think I've done everything right. So now I can just do if agent dot was he used remaining distance, didn't he? Yep. Wait, how did he actually do that?
Agent much just decide ouch and false the end of remaining distance is 2.2 inside of
Right. Oh, okay, yep, cool. Alright, so if it's more than the agent dot stopping distance, then we need to do character dot move nm dot desired velocity. What are we doing here? What? Agent dot desired velocity. False. Sick. We're also going to need that again down here. Not what I meant to do. Else. Alright. Is that it? That can't be it, right? We definitely forgot something, didn't we? I can't tell you what yet, but we definitely forgot something. I'm gonna press play though. We're also going to deactivate the enemy spawner. That can be deleted. This enemies. We also want to unpack this prefab. We're not going to do that yet. Alright, let's see what he does. He do be idling. Ah, my thigh! He dead. Parameter jump leg does not what? Okay, we definitely forgot something. And it was like this entire section all the way
a bit
back
of
here.
code. But luckily Unity included a bunch of different component script. The same thing goes for the rigid body. I increase the to a nav thing that and first of all we need the humanoid controller right here. We'll go and drag that in. And as for the avatar, we want to be using the Lowman avatar. So we'll go undo low body, select the low body avatar and drag that in as well. And now a player is actually set up to use
Son of a bitch. That's crazy. I didn't know that was a function. Okay. So, we're going to need to set up an animator based around this. How do we do that, you ask? I have no goddamn clue. So, let's try and figure that out. This is also really cool. Oh man. My brain's a little fried tonight. I thought I was more ready for this. Apparently not. So, alright, what does the animator look like? So should we just download the animator, maybe? You know what, screw it. We can do that. It's this one, right? Sick. So how are we going to fold this into the existing framework that we already had with the foot soldiers one? I mean, this is incredibly complex. I don't know how I'm going to do it. No, there was a genuine question in there. Oh yeah, that's right. So in the original Jason Wyman tutorial that we did the other day, talking about how to do this bit, the state machine, folding this state machine into... we'll make it work. We'll make it work. We'll figure it out. All right. So need to go back to... Yeah, we just need to switch this out. So the animator, switch foot soldier out for humanoid. See what it does with that. We shouldn't get a bunch of errors now, at least. Let's just play focused. Let's focus. Focus up. Scroll the right way. I have a scroll wheel now. It's really fun. God, it's nice to just have the basics. Oh! He's in the ground. Hello, little drone. I mean, it's almost working. Wait, oh god, that was dumb. Of course this doesn't work, because if you look at this, it has no motion on any of these. There's no motion in the ocean. Dude, that was the dumbest shit I've ever said. Alright, dead. Alright, let's see if we can remove a couple of these, because what the fuck is win? We don't need win, I don't think. Third person controller. Win. Trigger. It's what? What? Oh, it's a bull. It's not a trigger. Whoops. Bull. There's gonna be a few of those. So set bull, crouch. Nope. 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 Okay, it only cares about crouch and grounded. So that we can get rid of. Who cares about that? Who cares about death trigger? Go away. What do you mean? Alright. No, I got rid of it. Never mind. Yeah, no, of course. I killed death trigger. Go away. Is that... I didn't actually search for that. Death. Okay, no, I didn't... What was the error then? Was it just mad at the animator? Oh, God. Should we should just... We should just take the whole thing, right? Can we just take this? How do I do that? Is there a way to do that? I don't know how to do that. Fine, we're downloading the whole project. How do we do that? I actually can't remember how to do that. You gotta fork it, don't you? I'm right? Am I right? Oh, fuck off. Hurry up and give me the notification then. Oh, right. It already gave it. I set my phone to vibrate so that it wasn't bugging me. Was that the wrong thing to do? I don't know how to use GitHub properly. Yeah, just download the whole fucking thing, right? It was clone, not fork. God fucking damn it. I feel like this was wrong as well. No, I got it. Alright, let's just copy this. That's not what I meant to do. Doom to doom to doom. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry. We'll get rid of that one. We'll keep that one. Remove that one. Those are the two things we took, wasn't it? Pretty sure. So we chuck that in there. And then these have motion. Okay. Why did one of those have... Shit, it works. Alright. Let's see that in game. Did that work? How you fucking get you? Yeah. Get back here, you little fucking bitch. Come on, I'll get you. I'll sneak up on him. He's around the corner. He's right. I'm gonna sneak up on him. He has no idea where I am. Did I accident? What? Did I set crouch to true? What happened there? I set crouch to false. Why is it doing that? Okay, let's set crouch to true. Oh my god. Game development's fun sometimes. Just sometimes, though. You're still crouching. You're funny, you know that? You're funny. I can stand on you again. Kinda. It's like falling into cobwebs in Minecraft. I'm technically landing on his head. That's why I jump so high. I'm technically landing on his head. But the IK shit that I've got lowers the body when the ground's a certain distance. So yeah, when I'm moving, it raises the IK. Whee! That's funny. Alright, why are you crouching, you little fucker? What are you doing? What are you doing? Back to focused. So it's obviously setting crouch to true. But why? And where? Well, now I'm setting it to true. Hang on, we'll set that back to false. Oh, whoops, I killed him. That was a genuine whoops. I thought they had more health than that. Okay. Oh, is that what's happening? There's a woof. If this is actually what's happening, that's a solid guess. I mean, obviously it's force setting it to crouch, but... So no woof? Got it. God damn, there's so many crouch. Find all that. Okay, so that's the only time. I didn't want to type M underscore. I'm lazy. Okay, I mean, it's gonna set it to true, but I don't know where it's coming from. Okay, so where... Oh, there's only actually 9. Okay, so before here, this gets called right at the end. So that's the last thing that can possibly happen. So Fuckity fuck fuck fuck. Alright, so don't worry about the scale. So that's asking it to crouch. If that's true, then handle ground movement. So this is just the actual physical movement. Yep. So it's got to be in this. It's definitely something to do with some weird layer interactions. I just don't know where or what or why or how. Alright, Alright, let's do some debug.logs. Debug.log crouch. Where's that other one that we had? Get rid of that. Alright, so this should be false. If this isn't false, then something insane's going on. This will just be false. Yeah, no, of course. Because that's what we're feeding to it. So, alright, at that point, it equals false. Beautiful. Exactly as it should. Completely as expected. So, inverse transform direction move. Check grounded status. Project on plane. Grounded status is going to have nothing to do with crouch. Nope, good, alright. So apply extra turn rotation, handle ground movement. It's got to be in this. Alright, hit and hit one. If we get hit one, then we know that it's getting set to true there. It's not making it to either. Yeah, because it's already starting with crouching. Alright, so the first go around it starts off, that initializes to false. I believe. Right? Do bulls initialize to false or true? God fucking damn it, I don't know now. Public bool test. Don't initialize it. It should initialize as false, right? Yeah, I thought so. So it's false all the way through here. Actually, we'll go debug.log m crouching. Alright. It should be false. At least once there. On the first pass through. Just got paid. Nice. Alright. So on play, I should get one false and then a bunch of trues. One false, bunch of trues. Alright, cool. So it's getting set to true after this. Look, I know it's not here, but we're going to do it anyway to be thorough. This should be the exact same result. Yep. Okay. Now put it there, right in the middle. So if it's this one, then it's getting set there. It's true. Alright, so it's getting set there. Okay, so crouch equals false going into here. So it's going to go straight into here, crouch ray. I haven't set up the capsule. Nah, I haven't set up the capsule. That's why. Son of a bitch. Sons of bitches. Alright, 1, 2. Okay, we'll make it like 2.2. Not 0.2. 2.2. And then move it up to 1.1. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do. Now, did that fix it? That may have fixed it. We were just forgetting a step, as usual. Nope, he's still crouching. He's still crouching. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. We don't need these. It doesn't need to do that. It's not gonna... If it can't get there, then it can't get there. It doesn't need to crouch. We don't need to worry about that shit. Bam. Now run to me, senpai. Where am I? What the fuck? I'm stuck. Jesus. Okay, that's kind of fucking terrifying. Well, you're way faster than me now. Okay, we got that working. Now I'm going to scare the shit out of myself by going... This is going to be fun. We did it. We're making progress here. We're making progress. Okay, this is going to be the new prefab. Look at him. What a boy. What a boy. And then we're going to delete from there. We're going to go to enemy spawner. Replace that. Enable it. Just double checking. Okay, cool. The origin's on the ground. Just double checking. I didn't. Just double checking. Nope. Hang on. Maximized. All right, let's go. What do we got? This is looking way better. Oh my god, the horde. Yeah, they sort of just T-pose when they're done, but... That's actually terrifying. Though it did give me the idea that we could, like, we could have like a front row versus back row type thing, where if the enemy was like the first to get to you, then it would crouch down. We could set this to true when it got to the player, and then we'd have like a if first in line type thing, then crouch. That way it would allow for a second row behind them to like shoot over the top of them. That'd be pretty cool. We could do that. But for now, we're ignoring the crouch altogether. I know what it's doing. It's just like it's probably because yeah, it goes. I don't know what the fuck that does. Oh, so a sphere cast can like trigger colliders? What are the options there? Huh. I can't think of a use case for that, but that's cool, I guess. Alright, so what the crouch ray is doing is it's saying take the position of up times the capsule radius? Wouldn't that be capsule height? Also, is that a constant float of 0.5? What the fuck is the point of that? Does it use more memory to just have it as a 0.5? Oh, that's weird. Oh, where was I looking at that? Do. Yeah, actually, all this needs is a layer mask. Let's just add a layer mask in here. Up here, up in here. Fine, we'll keep it in layer mask. Mask. I don't need a special name. I don't care. Do. Alright, so when it does a raycast up, it's going to use this mask. And when it does this, it's also going to use that mask. And then, if we just change that mask so that it doesn't include itself, we should be good. We should be cooking. It's in this one. Nothing. Everything. Actually, no. Go back to nothing. We're going to go default. Character, ground, drones. Actually, not character. Not drones. Just ground and default. Yep. So that should have just fixed it. Fuck! That's way creepier though. Let's get him. He's down here. Let's get him. He can't see any of us. We're perfectly stealth. Good job, guys. Fuck! Why is it now not doing? Why is it doing that? Change children. Still doing it? Yeah. Why are they doing that then? I thought for sure it was because they were recasting themselves. Let's wait. What? Wait. It doesn't make it to there. Which means it's not in this. I'm getting a message. Where's the message coming from? Also, yeah, I can't see my stream. At all. Have you been watching the whole time, Moddy? I didn't realize you were still watching. I would have actually talked to you a little bit. Alright, so what the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going on? So it's not that one, which means it's this one. Yes. So this is where it's hitting. Yes. Yes, that's where it's hitting. Alright, so it's doing... Why is it... What is M capsule radius? I don't really understand what this is doing. I thought I did. But like, what's it hitting on itself? Or is it hitting the ground? Alright, hang on. Oh, right, fuck. It's doing it in here. We just want default. Default. And ground, I guess. I don't know. Is that it? Did I do it? Woo! I did it! Okay, now they do have the ability to crouch if I want them to. These guys are just trying to figure out how to get up the ramp. That's pretty funny. Why do they have such a hard time with ramps? I mean, I guess they're failing a grounded check. Oh, either way, we got that working. That's sweet. Alright, well, shit. You know what? I don't want to fix that right now. Oh, we're gonna... Fix... enemy... ramp issues. We can do that later. I don't want to do that right now. Add enemy shooting. Oh, we can do that. Add the weapon recharge. That's doable. We can fully do that right now. We already did that. Add enemy shooting is going to be even more difficult now. But that's good. That was progress. Alright. I'm going to go do a wee. Do a wee. Little, like a little boy. Pull my pants down all the way around my knees like a classy man. Fuck. Yeah, and then we'll come back. I'll do the weapon recharge and charge. Oh, that's another thing we can do is add health bars. Health bar for bars for enemies. Alright. That's the one we'll do, and then that's definitely on the to-do list. I think that's the route we'll do it. I'm busting to pee though. Alright, I'll be back in a second. Where's the button? There it is. Alrighty. So I think I changed my mind. That one can go down here a little bit. I think I'm going to keep working on the enemy. Bloody hell. Just choking on me water. Ugh. Bloody hell, I'm seeing my mouse move on my recording down below and thinking that that is the mouse. It's not. That's not how that works. Alright. So yeah, I think we're going to do the health bars for enemies. Which I know how to do. Haven't done in a while. It's probably something that we should just follow a tutorial for. Like, actually, I think the easiest way to do it would be to just have like a, hang on, where is he? Where is he? In here, in here. Have this guy. And then just under... Oh, where is it? Where is it going to be? What's that? Pixel perfect camera. Oh, that's a 2D thing, right. Want to create like, oh, wait. We can do like a little... We can do this as a world space thing. Right? Is that wrong? I shouldn't have done that? I don't know. Wait, no, let's do that. I think we're onto something. We'll do that. We'll make it a world space one. Right, let's just test this. Let's just test it. We'll do like 5, 5. That's still too big. Kinda. We're gonna do that anyway. Alright, and we're gonna add an image. It's like 2 and 2. And do we have an image? What do we got? Debris, that'll do. Alright, fuck it. Let's see what happens with that. Does that work as I'm expecting it to work? Oh my god, it does! It follows him around very... Huh. Alright, well let's do a little bit of research. Instead of just off the cuff in it, let's do a little bit of research, eh? As much as it's nice to be able to do these things for yourself, sometimes reinventing the wheel is pointless. Unity health bar. Yeah, 3D.
Hey guys, so I've got this little guy here, and when I click him, I do damage to him, and eventually he dies. But I have no idea when he's about to die, so let's make a health bar. So right click on your player, or whatever you'd like to put a health bar on, go UI, add a canvas, let's call this health bar canvas, change the render mode to world space, change the scale down to 0.001, 0.001, let's zero that out there in the position and pull it just above his head. Now for the actual health bar, I've got just this little rectangle sprite here. You can use whatever you'd like as the background and foreground. So on the canvas, add an image and call it the background. And I'm just going to slide in my sprite there.
This part I do know how to do.
So
alright, yeah, alright, cool. So he just did the exact thing I did. Never mind then. Let's add that back in. So, reset that. 0.001. 01. 0.01. Alright. Probably do that a little bit different. I don't know. That'll work. We can do that. Or do we want it to be... Alright, either way. Is there not something to automatically rotate it towards the player? Is that something we're going to have to do? Wonder if he mentions that. Hang on.
Sets it to the correct aspect ratio for the sprite that you've chosen, and size it to how you like and health. Open it up. Void update health bar.
Yeah.
The wrong way, and that the health bar works, but it's not exactly what we need. For example, it's going the wrong way, and also it's not this or health bar script. And in update method, let's look into that, and we'll set our transform.rotation equals to quaternion look rotation.
Yeah. All right. Cool. So you got to do it manually. Righto. I can do that. No worries. Alright. We're gonna go health bar canvas image I mean, that means it's not hyperpixelated anymore, which is nice. Okay, well, it means we need, at least a placeholder design for the health bars. Which we can do, I suppose. Background. So we need a background, a bar, and a mask, right? That's how we do it? Or that's a way to do it? I don't know how he does it. How does he do it?
See there, it's kind of the fill method to horizontal.
Yeah, well, he just does a forward. Okay, we can do that. That works. That'll be a good enough placeholder for us for now. Alright, we need background. That works. Height. Good enough. Alright, duplicate. We're gonna call this the fill, which oh damn, you can't do slice and fill. Really? How does he do that?
And as you can see there, it's kind of method is
Oh right, he's just doing two straight up images. Makes sense. Alright, fuck it. Let's open Blender. Let's do it that way. We'll do it properly. We'll make a little boop. And yes, I'm doing it in Blender because I don't know how to use other programs. I don't have Photoshop and I suck at GIMP, so shut up. And how big do we want it? Something like that. That. Gotta remember how to actually do this. We'll use cycles because I know how to use it better. Camera settings. In camera settings. Are they not? Wait, where are render settings? There it is. Maybe like 512 by something. That should give us enough resolution. We'll go by 100. We'll round that up. Alright. You can't actually bevel it without extruding it, can you? It doesn't matter what poly count we're doing. Alright, what is it? We need a render. I do kind of want it to be flat though. I don't know why I'm doing it this way. It's definitely overkill. Okay, did I do 3 L's there? I can't see. Okay, yeah, oh well. Hide that one. Bring it back. Duplicate it. Hide it. Outline. Alright, what are we gonna do with this? We need to do something cool. So like indent it. Why is it oh right, it's still in rendered mode. What can we do? What can we do? You know what? Nothing. That's what we're gonna do. Nothing. Do that. Delete all that. Bring the fill back. Same thing. Alright. Let's just give it a material. Fuck it, I give up. I actually don't want to do it this way because doing it that way means I need to put a bit of effort into design. And I don't want to do that. I just don't. I'm lazy. Design is hard and it sucks. It's not fun. Though I should have... Hang on. Actually, I have shit like this. I have lots of shit. UI textures? One thing. Never mind. Sprites? What do I got? Ooh. Oh, they're shit. Back into Blender. Damn it. Fine. Never mind. We'll do just a full image. Background. It's going to be like a gray. You go into the toilet now, Raki. You better not make me get up and go change it. Fill and Oh, I actually need to have an image in it. Son of a bitch! Okay, I don't remember how to do masks, but we're gonna try. What are you doing, Raki? I just need a rectangle. I'm gonna just have to make one in Blender, aren't I? God damn it. That's the easier way to do it. I should have just kept going with what I was doing. Plane, rotate X, 90, scale X, 6, scale Z, a little bit. 1. 2 seconds, check. Cumulative, make sure I get shit. Nope. Good, he's not about to stink me out. Control Shift O, Control Alt O, more accurately. Switch to cycles. 512 by whatever the fuck brings that down enough. Damn it, forgot to. Sick. Alright. We need to make the background transparent. We need to add a light. Sun. Actually, yeah, just rotate X90. Normally a little trick I normally do with this, just to make it look a little nicer in the render, at least for flat renders, is instead of making it a diffuse, just make it an emission, and then it should be quite flat. There, beautiful. Bloody dog's barking, shut the fuck up. Yeah, now we'll just render this. Render. Image. Image, save. Assets. Pictures, assets. I hate that it's nested like that. I haven't bothered to set this up better. UI textures. Basic health bar. Didn't mean to do that. Righto. Don't save. Background. Delete. Mask. Dupe. Fill. Wait, where was the UI? Oh, there. Never mind. Textures, images, do I have... I don't have a textures folder. Dun, 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 dun. Where did I just save that? Over here. Where did it go? I can't. UI textures there. Found it. No, fuck. Jesus Christ. Really wanted to just bring everything. Alright. Default 512. Apply. Sprite. Background, fill, basic health bar. Basic health bar. Green. And then this one. There we go. It works. Perfect. I see absolutely nothing wrong with that. Why is it weird? I mean, that's not the right, but alright, shit. Alright, now I'm gonna add a thing to this. Scripts. We're gonna call it enemies. Enemy health bar. Beautiful. We put way too much effort into that. Like, not effort, but time. That was so stupid. What are you doing, Racky boy? You reckon? You come here and tell the people. Okay, that we're going to use to rotate, and I'm also going to use it to change the color. I don't think we need a reference in start. We can add it back if we do. We are going to need a public image. We're going to call it... What are we going to call it? Fill image. Alright, and actually, we're going to have two methods. Rather than updating this every frame, we are going to update it every frame to rotate to the player. But, I lost my train of thought there. I fully lost my train of thought there. What do you want, Racky boy? You distracted me just staring at the side of my head. Yeah, no, we're gonna create a public void, and that's going to be update UI. And that's just going to take in a float health. Do we do like how do we like how should we do this? Should we calculate it in here, or should we just pass in the float? Screw it, we'll pass both in, why not? So we'll pass in current health and float max health. And then we'll say fill image dot fill amount equals current health out of max health. And then update, it needs a reference to the player. I mean, it can do that through, where is it? Game manager dot instance dot player. Yeah, we can do that on awake. For you I'm awake because of you. My voice is slowly dying. And that's just going to be a transform player. Actually, we're not going to do it on awake, we're going to do it on start. Player equals game manager dot instance dot get player. Sick, and then on update, we're gonna say, what was it? What was it, Rack? What? Tell me. Cat staring at my head. Come on, you're not useful. You're just staring at me. What's the answer? You dickhead. Yeah, we're just gonna go transform dot rotation equals quaternion dot look rotation. Wait, what's the... Okay, so we need to look forward, which is going to be from... We're just going to calculate it out here, it's easier. From transform dot position, no, it's B minus A, so... Player dot position minus dot position. This song was just on. Why are you playing the creepy one again? Have we've probably already done a lap in the playlist. So we're gonna go forward, and just to keep it clean, we'll go vector 3 dot up. Why not? Alright, so now it just needs a reference to the fill image, which is easy enough. Easy enough there, and then this enemy AI. Should it get it dynamically? Everything else gets everything dynamically. We may as well. I don't want to... So we need enemy health bar. Oh my god, I did this in a weird way. I need a drink. Oh my god. Health bar equals get component in children. Alright. When I talk too much, I start to lose my voice like this. I did it last night, that's why I didn't stream yesterday. Because I talked so much yesterday that by the time I got home, I couldn't continue to talk. Alright, so when it takes damage... We're gonna go health bar dot update UI, current health and max health. Alright, that should be clean. That should work. Everything there should be good. So, we're just gonna apply all. We're gonna use that in a second. So I'm just gonna add it now before I add this. Apply all. Alright. So that should work. We should have enemies with health bars. Beautiful. Okay. So, yeah, what I want to do is... We can get rid of this now. So, yep, we don't need that, we don't need that. So, on the health bar... should I do it with laps? I should do it with laps. God, my throat. I think I'm just gonna have to stop streaming soon, but I'm gonna get this done first. So, we want a public canvas group. We're just gonna call it canvas group. And yeah, no, we should just lap it. All right, so every time it updates the UI, that's it getting hit. So we're gonna say float. Actually, we're not gonna initialize it there. We're gonna have a float. Time since damage. Yeah, it's not going to matter to begin with. Alright, so... on start, it's going to say... canvas group dot alpha equals 0. So we'll just start it off so you can't see it. Only when it takes damage, we'll say time since damage actually, yeah. No, we'll do that, and then we'll say time since damage equals 10 to begin with. So with each tick, time since damage is going to plus equal time dot delta time. Alright, so and then that's going to reset time since damage every time it takes damage. Okay, so we need to calculate the opacity based on, so we're going to go to canvas group dot alpha equals math dot lerp between 0 and 1 based on time since damage. But we actually want to do that in reverse. Alright, so that means it's going to now take a second to fade. Alright. So like if time since if that starts at 0, like it would be when you get hit, that's immediately gonna say alpha equals 1. And then as time steps on, it's gonna fade out over a second. We can make that last longer by dividing it by a certain amount of time. Like so divided by however many seconds. So if we want it to fade out over 2, 3, 4, 5, it doesn't matter. We're just gonna use it at 1 for now. So that's gonna fade out. We can also, using this, we can create a buffer. So if we set this to -1, then it should stay fully lit for a second. We're gonna try that in a second. We're gonna see what this does. This should mean that every time it gets hit, it should just immediately start, it'll appear and then immediately start fading. Ah, whoops. Sorry. Dun 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 dun. Health bar. Canvas group. There we go. There we go. Alright, so Alright, so that is exactly what I expected. So now if I give this a negative number, I don't know what this does to the lerp. Though we can do clamp lerp, right? Nope. That's the only lerp. Lerp. Oh no, it's automatically clamped. Alright, cool. So now it should stay up for a second, and then it should fade after a second. I saved that, right? Did I save that? Yep, cool. Oh my god, that works perfect! That's so good. It worked perfectly. Holy shit. Nothing ever works one. Hello. God damn, nothing ever works one first go. That's sick. That's this done. Okay, enemy shooting scarier. What was the other thing that I wanted to do for the enemies real quick? That just made me think of it. And then I immediately forgot it when I looked at the to-do list, because that's how my brain works. It's so creepy. We could implement headshots too. Oh yeah, we also have grenades. See yous. They're quite effective. That's weird. So if I'm in front of him, and I aim. I love that. It looks weird as fuck, but I love it. Like, cause it just points to wherever that's hitting. I mean, we can check. Like, we can make it so that it always checks that position is in front of the player. That's easy enough to do. But I don't care. Hello, oh my god, it's coming along. It's coming along. It's coming along. It's coming. It's coming. They're floating a little bit. Enemy. I don't know. We'll fix that when we fix the enemy IK. Or we could just fix it right now by saying that the height is 0.21. And that'll work. Is it still floating a little bit? Why are you floating? The armature's animated though, I can't offset it. Ah well, we'll figure that out when we figure out the rest of the when we do the IK feat for the enemies. If we ever actually do that. No idea. Alright, well... I guess, yeah, the next thing is to add enemy shooting. But I don't know if I have the voice left for that right now. We also need to get this thing bobbing properly. Can't believe how well that works. Oh my god, that's like 3 lines of code. To think, when I was first looking at how to do that then, I was like, yeah, I guess we'll make it have like a coroutine to fade it or something like that, or like... No, of course not, just fucking lerp. God. Look, that whole line right there, that... It makes it perfect, that's all I needed to do. God damn, I'm the best. I'm so smart. I'm so fucking smart. And humble and gorgeous. I am, truly. Alright, well I think that's where I'm gonna call it for this one. Don't think there's really much else I'm keen on doing right now. Yeah. We definitely need to figure out ramps. I don't know why the hell ramps are so hard on the enemies. Did I put that on the to-do list? Yeah, fix enemy ramp issues. The adding the enemy shooting will... We sort of did a bit of refining the enemy animations today. By that I mean just using different animations. Are they good to use? I don't know if they're good to use. Like, I guess they're good to use, like, in a final... Like, if I was to publish this as a thing, those animations are fine to use. I hope so. So yeah, we just use this guy's animations. Low man. Did I even bring... Yeah, I brought him in. There he is. Look at him. Gorgeous. Take off, low man. Helicopter spin. Alright, well, I'm at the point where I'm rambling, so I think I might just end stream. Oh, make myself something to eat, hey? I don't think I have anything to eat. That sucks. Oh no, I can make some pasta. Never mind, that's good. Yeah, we'll make some pasta. Righto. Well, I don't think anyone's watching, but thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. See yous.